Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Draftbit as a beginner. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Draftbit website. So this is Draftbit, as you can see, and with Draftbit you can build native mobile apps and responsive web applications. Okay, so Draftbit is this easy-made website creation tool or mobile app creation tool where you can, create website applications or mobile applications without coding experience, without any technical experience in coding or what. So you have ready to use templates that you can definitely adopt to have a great time building your website. Now, for you to access these to get started, then you really have to create an account. And how do you do that? Now, you can access Draftbit using any browser of your choice. Right here, I'm using Chrome. Just go ahead and type draftbit.com. It's going to take you to the official website at the top right corner of your screen. Follow through with the processes to create an account. And once you have created an account, that's going to be it. It's going to take you to this fantastic page. And then you can now get started. So let's actually get started. All right, so I have actually signed up, so I'm just gonna have to just click on signing and I'll be good to go. So I'm right here in my dashboard. So this is it. Okay, as you can see, this is the app that I've been trying to build. Okay, so if you are using Draftbit for the first time, like I said, you have to create an account. If not, if you're using it, if you already have an account, it's going to take you to this dashboard. So as a beginner, here's exactly what you can do to actually have a great time on Draftbit. So from here in this homepage, if you check the left corner, you're going to see a lot of options here or features that you can definitely explore. Now here you have dashboard, you have workspaces, you have your starter apps, you have example screens, you have expert services, you have accounts, and right here you have a personal workspace, what's new, community, hire an expert, request walkthrough, and then all of this stuff. So I'm just going to have to go over them one after the other so that you can get acquainted with what it is about. Okay, so here you go. This is dashboard, like this is our dashboard, and then this is workspace, or these are the workspaces. So in this workspaces, this is where all your projects are saved, or this is where all your projects are organized. Like I said, I was creating a mobile app and I named the app app, so this is where it is saved. All right, and then if you head over to the next part, which is starter apps, this is where all the applications, or let's say template mobile applications that have already been created on Draftbit, this is where they are saved, so that if you do not know how to start from scratch and you're a beginner, you're just learning this thing for the first time, you can definitely use any of these templates, whichever one works in line with the business that you have. All right, choose any of these templates and you'll be good to go. It's going to be easier for you to customize the template using any of these templates right here that suits you. And then the next thing is the example screen. So go ahead and click on example screens, and you're going to see also example screens of, a preview of mobile applications that also have been created on Draftbit. Now, I'd like you to know that you can add any of the screens to your website application or your mobile application to start working on them. So all of these also serve as a template that you can definitely use. So if you do not want to do this on your own and you want to request the service of an expert on Draftbit, you can head over to click on the expert services to request your services or request help. And this is the account segment where you have all your account information, basic information actually, and you can definitely edit it, like your email, you can change your email, you can change your username or whatever, just whatever you want to do, you can have that done in your account. And then head over to I'm just going to go back to dashboard. Okay, so this is the help and resources. So if you need help, you need to know what's new on dashboard, on Draftbit rather, go ahead and click on what's new, and this is a community that can help you grow. Head over here to click on that, and then this is hire an expert. So if you want an expert to do the job for you, just go ahead and click on hire an expert, and then you have request walkthrough. So go ahead and click on request walkthrough, and then you have tutorials and guides, and then you have videos, and of course you have documentation. All of these things are definitely going to help you with all of the resources that you need to get right into it. And of course, if you want to sign out, of course, having used Draftbit, just go ahead and click on sign out, and that's just going to be it. So right now, let's head over to how we can build our mobile application using Draftbit. Okay, so here I said there's a workspace, this is where organized, and these are starter applications, and this is example screen and all of this. So if you want to create a project from the scratch, okay, let's head over to workspaces. And now workspaces, if you want to start a project from scratch, you want to build it by yourself and you don't want to use any templates because of course you know what exactly to do, go ahead and click on create project right here at the top right corner of your screen. And here it says, what do you want to call this app? Let's say Battle of Angels. Now this is provide a project description, so let's say Battle of Angels helps you smarter. Now this is really dumb, okay, because I'm trying to like create a demo video for you. All right, so this is it. And then once you're done, head over to click on the next option, and then it's going to take you to this point. It says, what backend are you using for this application? Let's select an option. I'm not sure. I haven't created a backend yet. So you have to be real because, of course, this is your first time and you're a beginner. So you have to let them know what is it so that they can help you with it easily. And then this is the next. What kind of app is this? Let's say entertainment. And then this is, how do you plan to deploy this application? All right, let's say publish to both app stores and web. I think that's fair enough, right? And then the next thing, go ahead and click on next. And now this is exactly what I said. So you want to start from scratch. You want to start the process from scratch. You can go ahead and click on this blank. And once you click on blank, then you can now start the process from scratch. Or do you want to use templates? So here are templates that are available for you. Just go ahead and click on any of these templates and that will be good. So before we head over to templates, let's show you how to start from scratch. So this is blank and I'm going to click on next and it's going to take me. So it says you can always change the status. So pick an emoji for your, so let's go with this love thing and then go ahead and click on I'm ready. So here it said all set. So click on I'm ready and now it says your app is being created. Thank you for your patience. So let's wait because this is not just it. It's going to take us to the editor, the app editor page so that we can definitely edit it to whatever we want it to be. Now it says loading your next big idea. Oh my God, you really have to be excited right here because come on, you're going to have a mobile application soon. All right, so here you go. So this is it, and this is just whole blank. And so if you want to create from scratch, pretty much you don't really okay, so from here, top left corner, you're going to see all of these elements. This is the API and cloud services, and this is custom code, and this is variables, set screen level and app level variables, and this is theme and styles. So you can employ any of these theme and styles, and this is assets, upload and manage your static assets and media files. So if you need to create upload any media file, you can just go ahead and click on that to upload any media file of your choice. So click on that and then select a file or drag and drop and add it to whatever you want to do that. So here you go, this is theme and styles. Click on that theme and styles and then select any theme and style of your choice. So let's say this is a color that I want, this is era color that I want to so let's say this is add new color. So click on add new color, this custom color, and I'm clicking on this and I'm just gonna have to click on save. So head over to the right corner. Now in the right corner you're gonna see more options here. So here is where all of the items, anything that you highlight here, you can definitely make the most of it from here. So add anything that you want to develop and that'll be. So this is actually for creating a new or developing a new web application. So I'm just going to have to go all the way back to my dashboard and I'm going to show you how to make use of templates. Okay, so here you go. So this is a workspace. As you can see, this has already been added. So I'm going to head over to starter applications and I'm going to use any of this. Let's say I want to create a fast food web application. So I'm just going to click on that and I'm going to click on copy this app. And because I have clicked on copy this app, it's going to take me right there. It's going to have to, or it's going to infuse this application in my editor and I will be able to edit the app to what I want to use it for. So copying can take a minute or two. So here, copied to personal workspace. So I'm going to click on personal workspace at the left corner, click on cancel. Click on personal workspace. So this is it. I have copied this already. So I can just open this up and it's going to load the editor. And now I can now start editing this or tweaking this mobile app to what suits me. So this is the home page right here. And as you can see, this photo can be changed. Everything right here can be changed. All right. Click on this delivery address at this left corner. And it's going to take you to the delivery address page. So here you can just click on anything. Let's say this is current address. Click on that, and once you click on that, you can see that you'll be able to edit it. So once you click on that, head over to the right corner of your screen. As you can see, this is text. So you can see you can now change this text to what exactly you want it to be, and you can of course align it to whatever you want it to be. And these are all of the font style and everything that you can change it to, or just anything you want to change, just click on it and click on it twice. And once you click on it twice, you will now be able to edit it to whatever you want to edit it to. So you can head over to payment method. So here's payment method, and click on payment methods, and the page for payment method is going to show up. So all you need to do is to also tweak it to whatever you want this to be. So let's say you don't want Payoneer and you want to edit it to something else. Just go ahead and click on it and change it to whatever you want. So head over, you can do that for all of these segments, for payment methods, promo code, get discounts, notifications, location details. And once you're done, like I said, the right corner is going to display the text, and you can now be able to change it over. Let's say we want to change this to PayPal. Yeah, so that's gonna be it. So that's definitely supposed to like reflect here, as you can see, PayPal. So this is pretty much how you can tweak it to be. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, be good to go. This is how you can create or build a web application as a beginner on Draftbit. Have a great day.